Chances are, if you celebrate Easter, you've ended up with your share of candy eggs in your basket. Who am I kidding? We all buy the eggs well before Easter ever hits. If you're tired of the same old candy egg, then you're going to want these festive treats. Cookie butter Easter eggs are the enviable answer to what did the Easter Bunny bring you this year? So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. First, you'll need a package of Biscoff cookies. Try not to sample if you have more self-control than I do. Add the cookies to a food processor or a good blender. Pulse them until they are cookie dust. It's like fairy dust, but tastes better. Measure 1/4 to 1/3 cup of cookie butter and then microwave it on defrost 1 until it gets jiggly with it. Outdated 90s reference. Add it to the cookie dust and pulse together until it starts to combine. Add 1/4 cup of evaporated milk by the tablespoon and pulse after each addition. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, and when the wet crumbs pull away from the side of the processor, it's ready to go. Give it a pack test though by grabbing some and making sure that it holds its shape. Using a small cookie scoop, put the dough into your hands and roll it into an egg shape, and then flatten slightly and place onto a wax paper lined cookie sheet. The more you squish it, the more it'll hold together, so make sure you get aggressive. When they're all done, cover them with plastic wrap and place in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes to firm up. Grab some vanilla candy melts. I use Candy Quick since it's easy to prepare. Since there are only about 13 eggs, half of the box will work and save the other half for other confections. Melt according to the instructions and stir until smooth. Take one of your solid eggs and dip it into the melts. Make sure you get both sides and use a fork or spoon to cover the entire thing, including the sides. Then lift with a fork and gently shake to smooth the top and allow the excess coating to drip off. Place back onto the wax paper and immediately coat with your decoration, like sprinkles. Repeat with the other eggs until they're all coated, decorated, and ready to be enjoyed. Make sure you allow them to come to room temperature before serving for a creamy middle. Cookie butter Easter eggs will be a new favorite in your kids' Easter basket or on the platter on the adult table. The white candy coating is the perfect complement to the slightly gingerbread taste of the cookie butter center. The pastel sprinkles give a beautiful topper to celebrate the season. Inside is a delicious flavor-packed cookie butter dough-like center that'll have you going back for more. Time for my quality control piece. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.